Okay, it's time to fertilize the garden with my super juice I had marinating for about a week. It has a strong smell to it, but it's going to help fertilize the plants for sure. With the nitrogen, calcium, and potassium in it, it's going to really help the plants to grow. So let me get busy giving my plants some super juice today. Okay, I uncovered my plants, took the netting off of them, let them get some of this direct sun that's beaming down today on them. We're gonna nourish them with the super juice today. Let me pull off some of the bad leaves off my cabbage here. I know that super juice is gonna help them to grow big and beautiful. The leaves are gonna get stronger. They're gonna enjoy that super juice today. Okay. All these bad leaves off of me. Come on, sit up straight, sit up straight. You're looking pretty good here. Let me see, I can see a few bad leaves on you. Okay, yeah, looking good. Look at my lavender finally. It's growing. Some cabbage growing in here, but they really need that super juice to help them come on and grow. Okay, cabbage, y'all looking good. Have some radishes growing over in here. Had some squash. It was growing in here with the radish. I think the squash all died off. The radishes are still growing. Okay, over on this side here too, I have some more radishes. My squash that was in here, they died off. Let me get all of these dead leaves off of here. I think this was the squash and this has died off. But the radishes are still here. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this on out. So I don't think no more squash is gonna come from here. It's all died off. But I got some radishes still going. Over here I have some more cabbage. But like the sun is really was beaming down on them. This one here look like it's barely making it. Let me see if I give you that super juice today. That's gonna perk you up and make you get all these dead leaves off of you. See if that's gonna bring you back to life. See if it's gonna bring you back to life. Come on, perk on back up now. Okay, cabbage, you're looking good. I'll get some of these dead leaves off of you. Come on, cabbage. Come on, cabbage. Now, continue to grow. Okay. Okay, get all these dead leaves off of you. Now you come on and grow. I'll give y'all that super juice in a little while. There goes some more lavender that's growing. Come on, cabbage. Okay, let me get in here and get some of this super juice. Let's go over here and fertilize these cabbage plants here. Okay, I know you're gonna enjoy it. Let me give you a little too. Okay. Okay. Let me go back and get some more. Okay, everybody's gonna get a little super juice. Okay. Okay, cabbage. Come on. I know y'all gonna enjoy that. Oh, come on and grow big and beautiful cabbage for us. Okay. Okay, cabbage. Okay, I'm gonna give my radishes some of this super juice too. Okay, radish, give you some as well. Enjoy. Okay, cabbage is over here. Y'all gonna get some super juice too? Enjoy. Give you some more super juice. And I hope this super juice helped you to perk up. Come on. Come on, cabbage, don't down me. Still have my asparagus growing over here. The ferns are starting to turn yellow. As soon as they start doing that and dying back some, during this winter, they come back in the spring. I should have I cut them back down once they die down fully. And in the spring, I should have a lot of asparagus coming up in this bed. We'll have some marigolds growing here. I see a lot of seeds I'm going to be able to collect. Look at that butterfly. Okay, butterfly. Okay, butterfly. I see you. I see you, butterfly. My cocktail apple tree is hanging in here. No leaves have grown back on it. I'm hoping it's going to come back in the spring. Come on, cocktail apple tree. It has the 4 variety of apples on it that was grafted on it. I'm hoping it's gonna survive this winter and grow me some apples in the spring. Okay, butterfly, looking pretty there. Okay, no action over here where I sowed my spinach seeds. Oh, let me take that back. Feel like I see something right there. Okay. See a little something. Not much. Oh, I see a little over there. Okay, spinach. Come on and grow. Okay, spinach bed. Let me see if I can give y'all a boost of fertilizer to help y'all grow faster. Come on now. Enjoy that super juice. Okay, I uncovered my collard greens and my mustard green bed. Took the netting off of it. I'm gonna go in here and pull out a lot of the dead leaves and harvest what I can, and I'm gonna give them all some good super juice today. Some fertilizer to help them grow some big and beautiful green leaves for me. Mustard greens over here. Collard greens over here. Okay, guys, let me get in here and pull out all the bad leaves, the dead leaves out of here before I give them that super juice. Okay, I cleaned out my collard green and mustard green bed. Cut off a lot of those dead leaves and leaves that wasn't looking good. Some of the leaves I'm gonna take and add into my super juice and start a new batch of super juice with. Right now, I'm getting ready to fertilize my collard green and mustard green bed with some super juice. Help them to grow bigger and stronger leaves. Okay, let me get started fertilizing my collard green bed over here. Some of the super juice. Come on, y'all gonna enjoy it. Enjoy it. Okay, let me go get some more. Okay, let me fertilize the mustard greens here with this super juice. Everybody gonna get some. Yes. Help y'all to grow bigger and beautiful leaves. I'm gonna water in my mustard and my collard greens a little bit with that super juice on them. So it can get down into the soil. I'm gonna water my spinach bed here too. But all that super juice is so deep down in there. We're gonna check back on the garden later And see how all the plants are enjoying the super juice. Look like they all have started perking up already. Look at the cabbage. They all done perked up too. They enjoyed that super juice. Okay, come on, you grow back, grow back. Radishes look like they enjoyed the super juice today too. Let's see over here this, oh, that little radish. Okay, cabbage. Y'all look like y'all are happy that y'all got some super juice today. Y'all looking good. Okay, I gathered up some of the leaves that from the mustard greens and collard greens that still look pretty good. I'm gonna add them into my new batch of super juice. Okay, I added some more of the green leaves into my super juice. I'm gonna give them a lot of nourishment. Give them that nitrogen, potassium, and calcium. Okay, they're gonna be good for the next feeding of super juice from the plants. Okay, let's call it a night. Everybody enjoyed getting their super juice today.